Welcome back to Top Rack Facts, where today we delve into an enthralling exploration of the human mind. In this special episode, we're turning the spotlight on the darker side of psychology, examining the minds behind criminal behaviors. From those driven by deep psychological disorders to those responding to societal pressures, we're uncovering the complex motivations that drive individuals to defy laws and societal norms. Join us as we embark on a journey through 10 distinct psychological profiles, each revealing a unique aspect of criminal psychology. This analysis not only enhances our understanding of criminal behavior but also challenges our perceptions of morality and free will. Prepare to be intrigued as we dissect the intricate web of factors that culminate in the criminal acts that shock and dismay society. 1. The antisocial personality disorder. Antisocial personality disorder, APD, is commonly found in individuals who engage in criminal behavior. Characterized by a pervasive pattern of disregard for, and violation of, the rights of others, these individuals often exhibit deceitfulness, impulsivity, and irritability. Their lack of remorse for their harmful actions makes them more likely to commit a variety of crimes, from petty theft to more severe violent acts. APD affects up to 4% of the population, and its roots often trace back to early childhood issues, such as harsh discipline, unstable family life, or genetic factors. Understanding APD is crucial for law enforcement and mental health professionals who work to predict and mitigate criminal behavior. 2. The compulsive planner. Contrary to spontaneous criminals, some are compulsive planners who strategize every aspect of their crimes, often months in advance. This profile includes masterminds behind complex schemes like bank heists or elaborate frauds. Their meticulous planning is driven by a psychological need for control and perfection. They revel in the challenge of creating foolproof plans and often take pride in the intellectual aspect of their crimes. The planning process itself can be as gratifying as the execution. This profile sheds light on how criminal behavior can stem not only from economic or emotional needs but also from a deep-seated desire for mental stimulation and accomplishment. 3. The thrill seeker. Thrill seekers commit crimes for the sheer excitement and adrenaline rush it provides. These individuals are characterized by a personality that thrives on high-risk, high-reward situations. They often engage in dangerous activities that defy social norms, seeking new and extreme experiences as a way of combating boredom or dissatisfaction with ordinary life. This pursuit of excitement can lead them down a path of increasingly reckless behaviors, including criminal activities. The psychological understanding of thrill-seeking can help in developing targeted therapies to redirect these desires into more productive pursuits. 4. The revenge seeker. Driven by deep-seated anger and a desire for vengeance, revenge seekers commit crimes as a way to redress real or perceived wrongs. Their actions are often premeditated and targeted towards individuals, groups, or even institutions they blame for their grievances. Understanding the psychology of revenge can be complex, as it involves elements of loss, betrayal, and a distorted belief in justice. These individuals often feel justified in their actions, seeing themselves as rectifying a balance rather than committing a crime. Addressing underlying issues of anger and injustice perception can be key in rehabilitating revenge-driven criminals. 5. The psychopath. Psychopathy is a severe personality disorder characterized by a profound lack of empathy, manipulativeness, and a bold, disinhibited, and egotistical trait profile. Psychopaths are capable of committing crimes in cold blood and can often manipulate those around them with charm and deceit. Their ability to remain calm under pressure and unfazed by the consequences of their actions makes them particularly dangerous. Unlike other criminals, psychopaths can engage in a wide array of criminal activities, from petty theft to serial murder, without any psychological discomfort or fear of reprisal. 6. The substance abuser. Linking closely to criminal behavior is substance abuse, where the addiction to drugs or alcohol overwhelms the individual's ability to adhere to societal norms and laws. The desperate need for the next high can drive individuals to commit acts such as robbery, assault, or illegal trafficking. Substance abuse clouds judgment and prioritizes the addiction over personal health, safety, or legal consequences. Rehabilitation efforts for substance-abusing criminals often focus on treating the addiction itself, recognizing that sobriety can lead to a significant reduction in criminal behavior. 7. The economic criminal. Economic criminals are often pushed into illegal activities by financial desperation. This profile includes individuals who commit theft, fraud, or engage in black market activities as a means of survival or to maintain a certain lifestyle. The psychology behind economic crime often ties back to socio-economic factors, such as poverty, unemployment, or social inequality. Addressing these root causes is essential for preventing such crimes, highlighting the role of economic stability and opportunities as deterrents to criminal behavior. 8. The follower. Not all criminals lead, some follow. This psychological profile is prevalent among those who commit crimes under the influence of a more dominant personality or as part of a collective group like a gang or cult. The need for acceptance, fear of rejection, or a lack of self-esteem can drive individuals to participate in activities they would not typically consider independently. Understanding group dynamics and the influence of charismatic leaders is crucial for dismantling criminal organizations and rehabilitating its members. 9. The sociopath. While similar to psychopaths, sociopaths are less organized in their criminal behavior, which is often more spontaneous and emotionally driven. They may form attachments to specific individuals or groups, but their lack of empathy is consistent. Their crimes, which range from acts of impulsive violence to more calculated schemes, reflect an underlying disarray and inability to fully integrate into society. Sociopaths often respond better to therapy and rehabilitation than psychopaths, as their behavior is less ingrained and more influenced by immediate social environments. 10. The power-hungry. For some, crime is a pathway to power. This profile includes individuals who seek to control others, whether through fear, manipulation, or direct command. They may be drawn to criminal networks or activities like human trafficking, drug cartels, or white-collar environments where they can exert significant control over others. The psychological drive for power often masks deeper insecurities and vulnerabilities. Addressing these can reduce the compulsion to dominate through criminal behavior. As we conclude our deep dive into the psychological profiles of criminals, it's clear that understanding these complex mental landscapes offers more than just insight into the darker aspects of human nature. It provides valuable lessons on prevention, rehabilitation, and the broader implications for social justice and human behavior. By examining the roots and triggers of criminal actions, we can foster a more empathetic and proactive approach to addressing crime in our societies. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration at Top Rack Facts. We hope this episode has not only informed but also inspired you to think deeper about the causes and solutions to criminal behavior. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more thought-provoking content. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.